Hello, everybody. Today is Monday, July the 8th, 2013. My name is Michael Wright, and this is the Daily Elliottwave video. Just before going forward, please do pause the recording and read over the risk disclaimer. Okay, as we kick off Monday, we are in two open trades. Um, the first one, the long Kiwi dollar from 77.07, that is working out fairly well. We already closed out one quarter for plus 95 pips. And have already trail stops to 77.27 to lock 20 pips. From there, we are also still long the Aussie Kiwi. We'll see how that plays out. Pretty much flat at the moment. But looking for the Aussie Kiwi to be stronger. Just looking for the Aussie to be stronger than the Kiwi in the near to medium term. So looking at the two, let's look at Kiwi dollar first. Kiwi dollar basically a nice double bottom to start off the week. This arrow was for the open, double bottom, nice momentum divergence, and we are looking for a fourth wave to come out and rise into the 81 area. Indeed, our targets are for 80 flat, so looking to book profit sooner than later. Aussie Kiwi, looking at that pair, in my opinion, we broke out and we basically came back for a retest. All right, so looking here, nice 161.8% fib retracement. Okay, if you can see that level there, but more importantly too, you can see it also on the weekly. So looking for a reversal for some cues, and really looking for it to break into the 120 122 area, have targets for 119, looking for a short-term move. But for those of you guys who are longer term players, that could indeed rally into that 122 in my opinion. With that being said, next possible trade looking to enter is the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, uh, a bit different from the other pairs. We could kind of call this a breakout from this zone here, but looking at it from a daily standpoint, reason why I do like this pair for longs, as you can see it clear, actually a little bit more clearer on the weekly, is this 100% fib extension. All right. So that was a nice main zone for me. I was looking to enter both. Indeed, I did not. I only entered the Kiwi dollar longs. But next, looking for Aussie dollar to break higher. We already got a Tank and Kijin crossover. So looking for it to give us a little bit more of a setback, and then for possible longs as the next possible trade. Okay. Meanwhile, another Aussie cross to keep a close eyes on is going to be the Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie trendline support. We are just about here, so looking for it to give us a break and a 4-hour close below that before looking to enter into short positions and looking for this to break down. Okay, same thing goes for the pound Aussie. Pound Aussie, nice drop test from last week. One pair that was interesting that we were basically right on with got stopped out by only one pip was the Euro Aussie. We were looking for this 78.6 fib and the reversal to happen here. Indeed, took us out by one pip and then broke down as expected, dropped another 300 pips. So the outlook still remains. We could count this as a 1-2 now, then looking for a 3, 4, 5 into 130s. Okay, still look for a 4-hour close and confirmation before front running that side. Meanwhile, we could look at some of the yen crosses. Haven't been too active with the yen, but first taking a look at Aussie yen. If it could come back and back test into some support, I would say 90.40. I think that will play out for some good longs into the 96 area. Meanwhile, not to overlook, looking at the euro dollar, also we have a nice test here. Euro dollar was a little bit clearer on the daily versus where we're at now. On the daily, you saw the nice trend line support um, from the trend line that started November 2012. So looking for this to break into 131. All right, is that so? It's gonna be the same thing across the board. We are finally getting some correlations. Pound dollar, nice double bottom. Next possible short zones for those looking for swings are 150, 146. However, we cannot rule out that weekly breakout that we had on the pound. So still looking for a possible back test, and this could even happen into the 160 marker. Okay. So watch out for that as well as we kick off this trade. Sorry about that, guys. Another one I do want to pay some attention on is the euro pound, as we are getting pretty close, in my opinion, to a possible short position. Looking for it to break higher and test the trendline resistance located at 86.50. That also is the marker for the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement on the 87.90 to the 84.0 down move. Okay, so watch out for there, and watching for some legs on that zone. So again, just to reiterate, in the near term, looking for euro pound for possible shorts around 86.40, 86.50. Also looking for possible Aussie dollar longs in the near term, giving it 90.90, 90.80 around that marker. Also looking for Euro Aussie shorts on a 4-hour close below trendline support. Alright guys, so let's see how the market plays out. I want to thank you all for watching today's Elliottwave video. Good luck trading. Cheers.